Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the LPAD function, or the left padding function, which you can use to add leading zeros or any leading values of your preference to an alphanumeric text or numeric value. So first of all, we start by typing in select, and then if the function menu doesn't pop up, you can press Control Space and it'll bring up the function menu. You can page down and find LPAD, which is the left padding, and I'm going to put that in. And let's say I'm going to put in an alphanumeric value of A001, and I want that to have several leading zeros. So I'm going to say the maximum length should be 10, and the actual values to lead the alphanumeric value should be 0. So I'll change that to uppercase A. There we go. And then I'll run that and see what it does. And as you can see, it's added leading zeros to the alphanumeric value of A001, and that's the LPAD function, or left padding function, in MySQL.